My name is Vaishnavi Deshpande. I am in my third year of interaction design. So today I'll be giving you insights on everything related to UID. First of all, starting with classrooms, we have a great variety and selection of interiors in classrooms. Whether you come from a traditional background or you are in a formal or a professional setup, we have everything for you. When it comes to classrooms, we have single hut classrooms with rooftops that you might like. And then we also have building classrooms where you talk to your faculty in a very professional setup. From glass doors to closed walls, we have everything in store for you. Food is a bit of a very sensitive topic, but we'll make sure that you're catered to here. We'll take care of you very well as if you are our guest. So in terms of food, we have our mess, and then we have three places here: container, anti-clock, and clockwise. Clockwise is best known for their South Indian food. Anti-clock is best known for all the snacks that you might need for your cravings and everything. And container is the best for all kinds of international foods and cuisines that you might like. The price range, although might not suit you always, but hey, we're all saving up as students, aren't we? The commute is good. From extended to the main campus, it's only a walk away, which is good for you. And when it comes to clubs and other hobbies, we have a wide selection of sports. We have a basketball court, we have a huge ground you can play football on. So when it comes to your routine, it's going to be a very well-structured routine. It's an interactive setting in a classroom where the faculty will always make sure to give you feedback, and then you can have your own time to work on your projects. As per After 5, you have a wide range of hobbies you can select from. And because you are a designer, at least aspiring, you'll have that time to yourself to work on your portfolio, your extracurriculars, and everything that makes you a designer. It's a very well-structured timetable that you'll be getting for every day. Usually breaks tend to be from 1 to 2 during lunch breaks, and the entire year's breaks or like summer vacations you'll be notified of depending on the weather and the faculty's decisions of it. But as for winter breaks, we get a short amount of 1 week period where you can cool off from your duties.